You are welcome back to my channel. This is Sharp and Love TV YouTube channel. This is a channel where you learn how to sharpen clipper blades. This is a channel where you learn how to sharpen different type of clipper blade professionally. This is the type of channel that teaches you how to turn rotting clipper blades, condemned clipper blades to new ones. This is a channel that teaches you how to maintain your clipper blades. This is a channel that teaches you how to sharpen the surfaces of your stones. This is a channel that teaches you how to refresh, how to sharpen your stone surfaces. This is a channel that teaches you how to form different type of stone surfaces, smooth surface, normal surface, quartz surface, to form them in different forms. This is a channel that teaches you how to maintain the surface of your stone, that it will last forever for you. It will never fail you when you are sharpening. It will never fail you for once. This is a channel that teaches you how to know original different type of stones you are going to use in your sharpening studio. This is a channel that teaches you how to identify original stones. Which type of stone are you to put on ground for sharpening? Which type of stone are you going to use for material stones? Which type of stone are you going to use for special stone, etc., etc.? We have them different types here. This is a channel that teaches you how to use chemicals, powders, sharpening powders on the surface of the super advanced sharpening stone to sharpen different type of clipper blade professionally. We have different type of powders here. This is a channel that's going to teach you. Oh yeah, so this is a channel that's going to teach you step by step to sharpen clipper blade professionally. So if you have not subscribed to this channel, that's number one thing we're supposed to do, to subscribe to the channel, to press the notification button so that you can see more and more of our videos, so that anytime we come on live, you can be able to be getting notified. I'm trying to set up the camera so that you can see the stone very well. This camera is new to me. I'm very sorry for that. It's a new camera. I've not mastered it very well. Just practicing on it. Yeah. I want to teach you step by step to sharpen clipper blade professionally for the learners and for beginners who wants to learn how to sharpen different type of clipper blade professionally. So if you have not subscribed to this channel, that's number one thing you're supposed to do. The reason why you need to subscribe, I will tell you. The network in my event here is too bad. I've been trying to come on live since, but it doesn't allow me. But the moment I get the opportunity of coming to live, when you subscribe to the channel, you press the notification button, you can be able to see the notification immediately. You can be able to see the notification immediately I come on live. That's number one. And subscribe, pressing of the notification button is free of charge. YouTube will not charge you or deduct any amount from your account. It is free of charge. Then you get the opportunity of watching the whole videos. The previous video we are producing in the past, you can be able to get the opportunity to go back to the main channel and watch. Secondly, you get the opportunity of watching the present video. The moment you come on live, you are going to be get notified. Another opportunity is upcoming videos. The videos are being designed ahead, so that whenever we pick them, we come on live, you can be able to join us on that live. The notification will come to you. Those are the major important things. Yeah, those are the major important things. And if you really want to get it, you really have an interest to know how to use the stone to sharpen the clipper blade different type professionally, logically, technically, strategically, okay, subscribe. so that you can be able to watch our videos anytime we come on live. Yes, I can see the comments. Emin Dada Sof. I can't pronounce this very well. You are saying hi to me, I'm saying hi to you too. God bless you. God bless you. Now, our tutorial for today is step by step to sharpen clipper blade for beginners or for learners. So I'm going to show you the step by step to sharpen the clipper blade. So if you don't know how to sharpen clipper blade before, or you just have little idea on the sharpening of clipper blade using the super hard manual sharpening stone, to sharpen the clipper blade, you want to know it, or you get little idea before, or you have not ever tried before, but you are proposing likely to buy your own stone and be using it, so that you won't be worrying yourself going up and down for somebody to be looking for you. You'll be looking for somebody who's going to sharpen the clipper blade for you to your taste. You want to do it to your own taste. You want to sharpen your clipper blade by yourself and get it right. So try to subscribe, press the notification button so that you can see more of our videos. Thank you. Now let us go into the feed. Let me close this window whether the image is going to be clear a little. If the image is clear in your own side, you can hear my voice, please let me know. If you can hear my voice clearly in the other side, let me know. If you can hear my voice clearly, and if the image is clear in your own phone, let me know please, so that I can make the adjustment before we start the tutorial. This is very important. Yeah, if you are hearing my voice, if the image is clear to you, let me know please, so that we can make the adjustment. Yeah. Now, if you want to learn how to sharpen clipper blade professionally, yeah, clear. Yeah, thank you very much. Thank you. Faret, I can't pronounce the name. Faret Lazat. I'm very sorry, I can't pronounce the name very well. God bless you. Are you male or are you he or she a barber? Are you a barber or a stylist or a proprietor or barber engineer? Yeah, help me share this video so that many people can enjoy watching this video, please. It's very important. Yeah, you want to become a professional in sharpening clipper blade using super hard manual sharpening stone, and you don't know how to start, you don't know where to start. I'm going to show you today. That is why you need to stay with me fully from beginning of the video to the end, so that you can watch it from A to Z. Because anything I do now, I come on live to do it. I don't produce VOD video for now. Video on demand, I don't produce it for now. So anything I want to do, I come on live to show you, to do it practically, I show the theory, then with full explanation, so that at the end of the day, when you want to try, you can be able to practice on your own and get it right. Yeah. Now, this work now is not mainly for barbers. That is what I want the public to understand. It's not mainly for stylists, proprietor, barber engineers. If you are a doctor, you are a businessman, businesswoman, you are a teacher, any profession you are doing, you can learn this thing through the tutorial and know it. Almost everybody having clippers nowadays. What do I mean by clipper? Let me show you one of the clippers. Almost everybody buy clippers nowadays, especially those one with battery, cordless wire, cordless clippers. Almost everybody is having clippers nowadays. So this work now is not mainly for only barbers. There are some people in my country, they don't know how to barb at all. They only sharpen clipper blade for barbers, or for anybody who want to sharpen clipper blade. They don't know how to barb at all. They only learn the sharpening. They only learn how to sharpen clipper blade, but most especially with sharper, electric clipper blade sharpening machine. But now, this when you compare sharper, that is electric clipper blade sharpening machine, and the stone, the price for sharper is too high. They sell it millions of naira in my country. It's very expensive. But stone now, this stone I'm using now, if I'm telling you it's $1, you won't believe it. It's $1. When you compare naira to dollars, it's almost $1 in Nigeria. $1. You see it? So the price is too low. The price is too low. And it's a thing you can just plan in a day or two or under a week. I want to buy 2 stones or 3 stones. I want to buy clipper. I want to buy this. I want to buy oil. I want to buy kerosene. It's a thing you can just plan under a week. So when you gather this thing even in a day, if you have the chance is the most important. Some people have the money, but they don't have the chance. But if there is chance, there is money, you can purchase all these things. But if you want to buy stone, you buy at least 3 stones. At least 3 stones. So that when you work it out, at least 2 is going to work for you, 1 is going to work for you, or if you are lucky, the 3 can work for you. And if you have somebody who is going to sell the original stone for you, they sell it for you, you don't need to sharpen it again. And if you have somebody who's going to sharpen the stone for you, when you buy the stone, you give it to him or her. It's going to sharpen the stone for you. Your own is to learn. So when you learn it, you know how to use it. After that, you now learn. After you now still learn how to sharpen the surface of the stone very well. Plug your CB. What's the problem? So you see now. So for somebody who really have interest, those are the people who I have interest with. And if you really want to know it, so there are some people who just want to get the idea so that when they do anything for them, they can be able to complain or give that directive. This is how I want it. Of the professional sharpening for them, if the person is sharpening it wrongly, they'll be correcting the person. Though he or she doesn't know how to sharpen it. But he has watched many tutorials. He really understood. He or she really understood how things is going on. Sharpening of the clipper blade using the stone, using the thumb or the magnetic clipper blade holder. You see, so the tutorial for magnetic clipper blade holder, that one is coming very soon. Again, I'm going to show you. Apart from the using of the stone, you can use your magnetic clipper blade holder to sharpen the clipper blade on the stone. You see it. But for now, I'm going to show things here. Okay, so for now, I'm going to teach you how to use your thumb. This is the power of the thumb. How to use your thumb to sharpen clipper blade. You see, so step by step we are going to take now to sharpen clipper blade for beginners. How are you going to start? The way you are going to start, I don't want this video to be long. I want it to be short so that you can get another thing to do after. I will first show you samples, how to test for your stones. That one is very important. When you want to buy stone, you know the type of stones you want to buy. You're supposed to buy 3 types of stones. And I'll be showing you how you are going to get the 3 types of stones you are supposed to buy. We'll look at this. What this one is thick oil. I apply thick oil on this one now. So any stone you want to buy, and it doesn't allow. Let me start from here. Yeah, this one is thick oil. See the thick oil on this one now. This one is super hard manual sharpening stone, super hard. The oil will not enter inside. The thick oil will not enter. This one is thick oil. Petrol motor engine oil, thick oil, it will not enter. That's how it's going to be. Then secondly, this one is light oil. You apply light oil on this one is light, this one is thick. This one is light oil. This light oil side will not even enter again. For the super hard manual sharpening stone, you are going to put on the ground for sharpening. The one you are going to place on the ground, that you are going to be placing your blade on it for sharpening. This is how to test. This one is thick oil. This one is light oil. You see it. Then you apply kerosene. You apply kerosene like this. The 3 will not enter inside. The 3 solution will not enter inside. This one is thick oil. This one is light oil. This one is kerosene. The 3 will not enter inside for the one you are going to put on the ground. Then if you want to test for the second one now, when you apply thick oil, it will not enter. When you see another stone, you apply the thick oil, it doesn't enter. You apply light oil, it doesn't enter, but the kerosene enter inside. That's another type of stone you want to buy. You see it. Then there's another one again. When you apply thick oil, light oil, kerosene, the 3 is going to enter. Those are the 3 types of stones you are going to buy. The one that doesn't allow thick oil, light oil, and kerosene to enter, you buy it. The one that only allow kerosene to enter, you buy it. The one that only allow the 3 to enter, the thick oil, light oil, and the kerosene, those are the 3 types of stones you are going to buy. So you get that one right. Then after that one now, you have gotten your stone on the ground. How are you going to make use of your stone? So that if you want to use it, if you want to use your stone to sharpen the clipper professionally, what are the step by steps you are going to take, so that at the end of the day, when you sharpen your clipper blade finish, you are going to get excellent. 100% okay, the clipper blade is going to sharpen correctly. Either somebody has sharpened the clipper blade before, he doesn't get it right, or it's a new clipper blade, you just use it dull, or fairly you use clipper blade, use dull, it doesn't work again, you want to resharpen it. What are the step by steps you are going to take? Then which type of the blade are you going to look for? Because if you group the blades together in the barber studio, I think it's two types, the thicker one and the light ones. This one the thicker one, this one the tapper. This one is tapper clipper blade, this one is thicker blade. You see it in this way. So this one now is a big blade, thicker blade. Some people in my environment they call it big blade, some people call it tapper clipper blade. You see it like this. So this one you look for it. Then this one they call it smaller clipper blade or Starex, smaller clipper blade or Starex clipper blade. You see like this one is not too thick. Let's compare the thickness together so that I can really understand exactly what I'm trying to fasten out. Look at the thickness. Look at the thickness. You see it? Look at it like this. One is thicker than the other. You see it like this. Then when you look at the weight, this one is heavier than this one. This one is heavy. This one is heavier. You see it in that way. Then when you look at the stubbornness, how this one is very hard to sharp, how this one is very hard to sharp, this one is more difficult to sharp, this one is difficult to sharp than this one. So for somebody who want to learn how to sharpen clipper blade, you shouldn't look for the strong one, the one that be giving you problem to sharp. You look for the soft blade. So you are going to use soft blade to start your sharpening, your practice. So when you get, let me see this comment. Hi, okay, God bless you all. I'm seeing your comments now. You are going to look for the smaller clipper blade to start your sharpening. Let me still come back again so that I can get to exactly what I'm trying to fashion out. Look at the size of this blade. You see here, this one is thicker, this one is lighter. You pick this light blade, drop this one down. It's when you are sharpening this one, you are getting it right. Maybe you sharpen 5 sets of clipper blade, you get 3 right, 2 right, 4 right, or you get all right. It is after you now move to the thicker blade. That is where some people get it wrong. When some people want to start the sharpening now, they go and look for the thicker blade like this. This one is difficult to sharp. When you are getting this one right, very easy for you to sharp. The process by process, step by step, you are taking to sharpen this one, and you are getting it right. It is after, assuming you sharpen 10 sets of this clipper blade, this light one, you are able to get 5 right. You try, you get 5 right out of 10. 5 is working fine. The 5 is not working at all. Later, you still try on that 5. 2 work, 3 doesn't work. That's how you continue to be trying. It is true. It is when you are getting this one right, then after you look for this one. Let's drop this one first. Let's forget about this one first. Let's talk about the light one, the one that you are going to be using for practice, so that this work will not tire you. It will not give you too much pressure. Yeah, if you don't know where to start, the bigger blade can discourage you in sharpening of the clipper blade when you are learning. It can discourage you. Because all your effort, you sharpen 5 sets of clipper blade, all doesn't work at all. You sharpen 2, it doesn't work at all. You sharpen 1, it doesn't work at all. You sharpen 20, it doesn't work. It will tire you. It will discourage you. So you look for the soft blade, light blade, that when you, at least when you are practicing, you follow the step by step. Before you can sharpen 10 sets of clipper blade, you are going to get 4 or 5 right. Which means the moment you can test and you see one clipper blade sharpening correct, fine, your mind will be happy. And to come back for practice will be hungry you. You see like that? Let us go to the field now. Now, what is the number one thing to do when you are getting your stone right on the floor? You get your blade. Then what are the materials you are going to look for? You look for the either thick oil or light oil, any of the two. When you get thick oil, you want to form it into 2, you divide it into 2. The other one, you mix it with kerosene, the same proportion. You turn that one to light oil. 1 thick oil, 1 light oil. This one is light oil. Then after, you look for kerosene. All these one are new ones, neat ones. You see like that? Then you look for original masking tape. The best of the masking tape in the market, you look for it. Don't buy inferior market, but when you buy inferior one, you won't enjoy it. You won't enjoy your sharpening. It will not allow you to go far at all. But look for the best in the market. You look for it. I can't give you any name. Then you cut your jeans into small rags. All these condemned jeans, your trousers jeans, you can go to the market and buy this okirika condemned ones. You turn them to rags, small. You get them in different sizes. All are useful for you. When we start now, the stage, by any stage we have now, I'll be showing you the type of the rags you are going to be using. You get small one, you get bigger one. You see like that? Now, You pick your blade, then you take your rag to clean, neat rag to clean the back of the blade very well. You see the way I'm cleaning? See the way I'm cleaning the blade? You clean it very well so that you remove the chemicals at the back, the dirties at the back, the rubbles, anything at the back that's making the blade rough. You remove it totally. Then you make it neat. You put it down like this. That's for the upper clipper blade. Then you pick your bottom clipper blade. You clean it very well again. All this one, you get different type of rags. There are some you get with oil, you got some with kerosene. When work is going, I will be seeing it now. So all this one are clean one. There's no kerosene, no oil on it. You get clean one like 20. You just get them plenty. You cut pieces of jeans. You cut them to pieces. On them jeans, you cut them to pieces. You are going to enjoy using them one by one. You see like this. So I've cleaned the back of this. The back is the most important. The back of this blade. Not that when you clean this one, it's okay too. But the major area that's most important for you to clean is the back. Is the back here. I'm sorry for that. Is the back here, because this is the back you are going to apply the masking tape. The way you are going to apply the masking tape, I'm going to show you now. Yeah, and the work of the masking tape on the back of the blade, I'm going to show you one by one. You see, you cut this masking tape to size. You cut them to size. Let me first do for the upper clipper blade. You see like this, you place it neatly. You see the way I place this one. Then you place it for the other side too. You see like this. Then when you apply it, look at this mouth. It doesn't cover the mouth. You leave the mouth open, this gap. You shouldn't allow the masking tape to cover because of the chemical, the kerosene, the oil. Once the chemical go under the masking tape, it's going to remove it. It's going to weaken it. So you put it in this way. Then you apply for the bottom clipper blade too. See the way I want to apply it. Yes. You apply it, but this one is a rotten clipper blade. I need to press it very well. All this one I've been under fire before. I went to pick them inside the dustbin. There are plenty. I went to pick them inside the dustbin. We are turning them to new ones. You see like that? So you see the way I'm pressing it. You press it very well so that the masking tape is going to attach to the back of the blade very well. Anyone that get holes like this, let me show you. Any blade that get holes at the back, line like this at the back, you press through the line, your finger, your nail, fingernail, you press through the line so that everything will cover up. See this one now, you press it very well. See the way I place it down here. So when you have not sharpened your clipper blade or you have not finished the sharpening, this is how you'll be placing it down. That's how you'll be placing it down. So when you finish the sharpening completely, you turn it outside like this. To give you the sign that this one has been sharpened correctly, you place it like this in this way. But when you have not sharpened it correctly, you have not started at all, you are sharpening, returning to back sharpening again, you can be placing it in this way. Now we put it down here. You put it down here. Then let me place. You can, the camera can pick it here. Yes, the camera can pick it here. Now after this is the stone we want to use. This the smooth surface stone. So this is the stone you want to use. This is the stone you want to use. You apply the kerosene on the surface. Yeah, you take. That's why I'm saying you have to get different type of rags. I'm using this one to clean the surface of the stone. You see the way I arrange it. You clean it very well. To remove the carbons, particles of stones, particles of iron, dirties on the surface of the stone, you remove it. You see how neat it is now. You see how neat it is. We are back on live again. I'm very sorry, network problem. It was network problem. I'm very sorry for that. Network problem. I've been trying one way or the other to restore the network back. Well, I'm happy the network is back again. Let me wait a while so that the viewers will enter a little before we start again. The network problem. Please, I'm very sorry for that. I am very sorry for that. It was network problem. Yeah, I've just restored the network back again. Where we reached before was where I was cleaning the surface of the stone. Don't forget the step by step to sharpen clipper blade for beginners. Yeah, so after apply the kerosene on the surface of the stone to clean the surface of the stone, we now apply either thick or light oil on the surface. You now use your finger to spread it to cover the whole surface of the stone. You spread it to cover the whole surface of the stone. You see the way I apply it? You spread the oil you spread it to cover the whole surface of the stone. You see like this. Then you now come with the special stone. This one is special stone. This one is a material stone to be using on this one. It makes this one surface to last longer. Yeah, to be effective in sharpening, to last longer. You see the way I'm using it? You can see the way I'm using the special stone on the super hard manual sharpening stone. You can see the way I'm making my movement anti-clockwise. You see the way I'm circling, then you go clockwise again. You see the way I'm circling. You see like this. You see the surface of the special stone. Now return this one back again, and now come with biscuit bone. This one is biscuit bone. I use it in the same way I use the special stone. Then this one this one is depreciating powder on the surface of this one to cover the surface as a coating to make it effective and powerful. See the way I'm using it? You see like this? You see like this? You see it? You see the surface of this one, how flat it is? That is how it's going to be flattening the surface of the super hard manual sharpening stone on the ground. Yeah. After now, you now apply kerosene on the surface. Use your finger to spread the kerosene to cover the whole surface of the stone. To cover the whole surface of the stone. I want to clean my finger. Yeah, after now, you place your blade at the angle of 45 degree. This angle 45 degree, you see it. When you put your line like this angle of 0, this angle 180. Then when you take it upright, this is angle 90 degree. From here to here is 90 degree. When you divide 90 into 2, it's 45 degree. This is how you position your blade at the angle of 45 degree in sharpening of clipper blade for upper and the bottom clipper blade. You see it? Then if you want to sharpen your clipper blade, you divide the blade into 2, you divide the stone into 2. Watch like this. When you want to sharpen this side, you use this half part of the stone to sharpen this side. You use the remaining half part of the stone to sharpen the other part of the blade here. Here for here, this side for the remaining part of the stone here. Take note. Then when you want to sharpen your clipper blade, the way you apply pressure here for sharpening here have to be the same thing here. The way you apply pressure here to sharpen the other side here. Then when you apply your pressure, then you make your movement. You go to and fro 1, 2, 3, 4. How many numbers you counted for here? You count the same number of to and fro for here again. If you count 20 times for here, you count 20 times for here too. If you count 30 times for here, you count 30 times for here too. If you count 10 to and fro 10 times for here, you count the same thing 10 times to and fro for here too. So anything you do for here, you do for here. Anything you do for here, you do for here. Equation balance. So make the surface of your blade very, very flattened and total shining across the same time. Now let us go. I'm going 30 times there to sharpen here. Watch. That's 30 times here. You clean the back of your blade not to allow the chemical to spoil the masking tape. That's 30 times here with light pressure. So I'm sharpening 30 times here with light pressure again. Watch. That's 30 times to and fro each side. Take note very well. Whatever thing you do for one side, you repeat the same thing exactly for the other side too. You can see the changes. So let us repeat the sharpening again. That's another 30 times again for the first side. So I'm going to repeat 30 times again to and fro for the other side too. I've sharpened here 30 times now. Let's go 30 times here too. That's 30 times again. Yeah, you can see the changes. You see the changes. Let us repeat it again. You make sure you activate the surface of your stone before you sharpen clipper blade. It's compulsory. You activate. What I'm doing now is activating the surface of the stone to make it powerful, effective, and flattening. That's 50 times. That's 50 times. So anything you do for one side, the number of to and fro you count for one side, you have to count the same thing for the other side. Then the way you apply pressure on one side of the blade, if you are sharpening here, to and fro numbers you count for here, maybe it's 30 times here, you count 30 times here too. The way you apply pressure here at the back of the blade, you apply the same thing here in the other side, so that you not press too much here and press lightly here. When you press lightly here, you press too much here, the surface of the blade, one will go inside than the other. Where you apply too much pressure, the blade will go down there. Where you apply light pressure, because you not chop very well, the surface will go up in that place. You take note. Then before you sharp, you treat the surface of your stone. You activate the surface. This is exactly what I'm doing now. So let us go 30 times here. Light pressure, fast movement. That's 30 times. You see like that? Fast speed. So what you do for here, we repeat the same thing for here. That's light pressure, fast movement, 30 times. That's 30 times now. You can see it. So make sure you calculate all these things very well. No part or no counting of numbers will be higher than the other. The application of pressure in one side have to be the same with the other side. The way you activate the surface of your stone for one side have to be the same with the other side. Let me show you the inner surface of the blade now, so that you can really understand exactly what I'm trying to fashion out. Watch carefully now. Look at the surface. You see it now? So the surface is very, very flattened. I'm very sorry for that. I'm very sorry for that. Number one thing, you apply the oil. You spread the oil on the surface. You spread it to cover the whole surface of the stone. This one is special stone. You use it on the surface to flatten the surface and to spread the oil. You see like this? After now, you come with your biscuit bone to flatten the surface and to apply powder on the surface of the stone. To depreciate powder on the surface of the stone. You see like that? After now, you now come with the kerosene. You spread the kerosene to cover the whole surface too. To cover the whole surface. We are going 50 times now, fast speed. That's 50 times to and fro for one side. Exactly the same 50 times to and fro. Now you will now apply the tricks to the other side too. Don't forget. Let's treat the surface first. Fifty times here to and fro. Let us go for this side. 50 times. That's 50 times to and fro. 50 times to and fro. I'm trying to clean the body of the blade very well. To clean the body very well. Let's get closer to the screen. Watch carefully. You see how flattened the surface is and total shining across. You can see it like this. So when you apply the system, you are watching me or you are looking me applying to the system now, applying to the blade and the stone. Actually, when you finish the sharpening of the clipper blade, the level of the surface is going to be the same and the shining is going to be the same, because when you sharpen here, the way you press it down here to sharpen this side, you go to and fro 30 times here with light pressure, then you go to and fro, light movement, slow movement, then you repeat the same thing for here, light pressure, then slow movement, go and fro 30 times. What you do for this side, exactly you repeat for this here. The something you the system you apply for here, you apply the same system for here too. So anything you do for here, you do for here, 30 times here, 30 times here, 40 times here, 40 times here, 10 times here, 10 times here. That's how you continue to be doing it. So that at the end of the day, when you check the inner surface of the blade, it's going to be balanced the same. It's going to be balanced the same way. It's going to be the same. So no part will be higher than the other, have to be flat the same way. Those are the things you need to take note. So this one now, we have sharpened this one correct now. So we want to pick the bottom clipper blade. You can see this, look at the surface. Total flatness, total shining across the whole surface of the blade. You see it in this way. Now let us go for the bottom clipper blade. Before we go, let us clean the surface of the stone. You apply little kerosene to remove all the dirties, carbons, stone particles, iron particles on the surface. After cleaning, then you apply your oil, either thick oil, the light oil. You see, you apply it to cover, you spread it to cover the whole surface of the stone. You see the way I'm applying it? You apply it to cover the whole surface of the stone. You see like this? I clean my finger. Then after, I now come with the biscuit bone to apply on the surface again, to flatten the surface and to spread the powder on the surface of the blade stone. You see like this? You see it? Look at it. All these things are steps you're supposed to be taking. You shouldn't omit it. You shouldn't jump anyone. Those are the steps you can follow. Actually, at the end of the sharpening, your clipper blade is going to work fine. You see the way I'm activating. What I'm doing now is activating the surface of the stone. Activating the surface of the stone. Now I now pick my bottom clipper blade. This clipper blade have been sharpened before, but it was sharpened wrongly. So we are going to put another sharpening on it. Look at it very well. The surface is not balanced well. So let me place it at the angle of 45 degrees. Don't forget at all. We divide the blade into two. We divide the stone into two. We use half part of the stone to sharpen the half part of the blade. We use the remaining half part of the stone to sharpen the remaining part of the blade here. You see it? So the way you apply your pressure here to sharpening for the first side, you apply the same pressure on the back of the here, or the back of the other side to sharpen again to make the equation balance. Then your to and fro counting, when you press it down, you take it movement up and down, up and down. If you count 30 times for here, you count 30 times for here. If you count 10 times for here, 10 times for here. If you count 50 times for here, 50 times for here. Don't let any number be higher than the other. Everything have to be the same. The same. Let us go now. I'm going 30 times for here, 30 times for here with light pressure. Don't press too much. Just lightly like this. Watch. That's 30 times for here. Let me clean the chemical at the back so that it will not spoil the masking tape. You see it? So 30 times for here too. That's 30 times. To and fro 30 times one side, to and fro 30 times the other side. Let us try and check. Yeah, you can see now the flattening is coming out, the shining is coming out little by little. We continue repeating it until we get the total flatness and total shining across all over the surface of the blade. Then before we go, we treat the surface of the stone again. It's very important. We treat the surface of the stone. We treat the surface of the stone. So for here now, I'm arranging the stone very well. Yeah, I'm going 40 times here. 40 times here, 40 times here. Yeah, it's coming up little by little. It's coming up. It's coming up little by little. You see the shiny, the flatness is coming up at once. Let's continue. Before we repeat like 3, 4, 5 times now, you have to get it right. That is how you continue sharpening for learners. You see, you activate your stone before you sharpen the clipper blade. You activate it. So we are going 50 times here, 50 times here. That's 50 times. That's 50 times each for one side. Anything you do for one side, you have to repeat the same thing for the other side too. Yeah, the flatness, the shining is coming out. Yeah, you can see it now. The flatness is coming out, the shining is coming out at the same time. You can see the inner surface is becoming new one. Thirty times here, 30 times here. Light pressure. Just press lightly. That's 30 times for one side. Let me clean the back of the blade. So 30 times here too. Yeah. You can see now. You see the flatness. So let us go one time now and test. And test. I'm activating the surface of the stone. I'm activating the surface of the stone. So let's go 50 times here, 50 times here. After this one, I will now check. That's 50 times for one side. That's 50 times. Let's watch carefully. You see it. Now let us test. You see the way I place it? For beginners, you look for starless clipper blade, smaller blade to start your training. Yes. Okay. On board. machine charge. What if you over? Yeah, I'm very sorry for that. So the sharpening we have put on the surface of the hopper and the bottom clipper blade surfaces, now we are now testing whether it comply with each other. This is how you are going to test. Before you sharpen your clipper blade, you can test. After sharpening your clipper blade, you can test. Let me check. Yeah, I want it to show very well so that when I open the surface, you can be able to see the carbon clearly, that the work we have done is correct. So that is the step by step you are going to be following to sharpen your clipper blade. And don't forget, if you have not subscribed to Sharpen Live TV, this channel you are watching, let us subscribe before we go. If you have subscribed before, it is only one time. Pressing the notification button is only one time, and it is free of charge. YouTube will not deduct any amount from your account. It is free of charge. You will not pay for anything. But the advantage you have is to be seeing the new videos, no short. Whenever we come on live, you can be able to get notified. Immediately I come on live, or the network disturbed, as the one we are doing now, the network disturbed. The network cut along the line. When we resume back again, we restore the network back again. If you subscribe to the channel, you are going to get notified again. So try to subscribe to the channel and press the notification button so that you can see more of our videos. So let me come closer to the screen now and show it. Watch now, you see the carbon, feel the inside. You see the carbon? So which means this clipper blade is sharpened correctly. You can see the carbon. You see black that cover the whole surface. You see it in this way. So which means this clipper blade is sharpened correctly. And this is the step by step to sharpen your clipper blade as a learner. So we are still coming back very soon for another tutorial. Join us. Thank you for watching us. Don't forget, if you have not subscribed before, subscribe. If you have not pressed the notification button before, press it now so that whenever we come on live, you are going to get notified. Thank you. Be expecting another valuable tutorial after this one.